Hi, I'm Di, the travelling LipSense lady, and I've been on a journey this weekend. I came to the Gold Coast because Girl Director was putting on a training academy for 3 days. And I just thought, oh my God, am I going to do this? And I ran and hid for a few weeks and thought about it. I didn't want to put myself out there. But one of the things I learned is that I can tell stories. I've got a life journey, I've got a life full of stories. And when I go out to places and go to the country music festivals, I've got those stories to tell people, but I didn't realise that. Rachel and the team, Michael, they've helped bring that out of me, and I'm really grateful for that. And one of the things I'm going to do on my journey now is I'm going to share my stories with you, because I do have something to tell, and my stories could be of interest, but some days, they just might be a little heartstring, or it could be about my lippy. But one thing I do know is I've become a storyteller, so watch out for my stories. Talk to you soon. Don't forget, love LipSense.